Hello friends, today we will all do the yeast balloon experiment together. First, we will fill our plastic bottle with hot water and make sure it is filled halfway. Now let's put in our yeast and shake your bottle a bit to dissolve the yeast in the hot water. Now, let's add our sugar and shake it a little more. To make it more flexible, I will place the balloon that I've inflated a few times before over the mouth of the plastic bottle. After waiting for a while, we will see that our balloon has inflated. However, do not expect it to inflate too much because the yeast will produce a certain amount of gas and inflate to a certain extent.